Bro, what is up with me hitting neutral, brother? Got a booger in my nose. Ah! Dang it. It's like freaking sitting in there. It's like a little dry, right? So it's like annoying. You know, when I breathe through my nose, it like wiggles a little and it tickles. I'm like, oh, there's a booger in there. But yeah, I got a helmet on, I got gloves on, I'm on a motorcycle. It's cold outside. I can't pick my nose. I want to pick my nose so bad. I wonder when my gas light's gonna come on. I think the booger might have came out of my nose. I think it's sitting right on the tip, right on the edge of my nostril. Got a freaking booger nose, man. Got a booger nose, man. Booger nose, man. Can you see the booger? I can't see a booger. No, it's still in there. My nose is just running. Just got a runny nose. It's hard to suck up the runny stuff, the snot. It's hard to suck up the snot when you got a booger in there tickling you. I need a tissue. Tell everyone that I got a booger in my nose right now, and I can't really get it out unless I stop and take off my gloves and my helmet and pick my nose. But I'm gonna need a tissue too, because it's running. I'm freaking, yeah. I can't wait to get this booger out of my nose. And it's sacred. The sacred booger in my nostril. Blah 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 blah. I got a mother freaking booger in my nose, and I can't get it out cause I'm riding and I got new gloves. I'm not a booger eater, but I do pick a lot when there's something in there. Do I pick my nose for you guys? My booger of success. Getting boogers out your nose, yes. Keeping them out too, yeah. Not eating them, that's gross. Green arrow, floor it. Oh my God, bro. That a copper? Could be. I don't know. I don't think so. I can take back. That's a Maserati and a frickin' something. Yeah. Frickin' booger, man. This booger is making me mad. But at least I'm not focused on how cold I am. I'm just focused on the booger. How to ride in the cold. Put a booger in your nose. And think about that the whole time you're on the road. Yep. Runny nose. What the? Alright. Works for me. Hello, sir. Ah! I lit up my clutch too hard. I was in first gear going around a corner. It was like, ah! Ah! I'll go straight. Maybe I can make it, dude, if I go fast enough. I don't know though, man. Most of the time it's a no-no. Last time I rode, it was a yeah. Oh. Hey, if you liked my booger talk, freaking like the video and leave a comment, because I got the booger out my nose. Oh.